not a single way you can add numbers in Excel. First, you can type an equal to and select this cell, and then say plus and select this cell. And if you press enter, it will show the sum of these numbers, that is 11. And if you want to copy the same formula and like add these two numbers in this one, add these two in this one, you can simply hover on this plus sign and you can drag it down and it will show you the sum of these two as well. Another way which you can use to add the numbers in Excel is for using the sum formula in Excel. So for that you have to press equals to sign and then write sum. It will give you suggestions in the menu down. You can use the open bracket and then select the range, and you can just close it, and boom, you get the sum of these numbers. The same In the same way as before, you can just drag that down and it will copy the formula in the cells below it.